So I own Bullfrog Fit. It's a gym in Portsmouth, Rhode Island, and we specialize in helping people change their lives. Some of your clients go to my gym and are members at my gym.
Yeah.
And they talk about how you go out of your way to make sure that they're happy. A lot of people, I hear that they're not happy afterwards. They got charged this amount, and then they're like, oh, well, I feel like I got ripped off because it was really expensive, but I didn't really get what I wanted. I felt bad asking. So we bought this house going on about 2 years ago, but we didn't really actually realize the work that it was going to take. So attention to detail is huge, and that's one big factor and the reason why I hired you. And then another huge factor was the fact that you really care. Yeah. So I feel like a lot of people want to just make the dollar. They want to get a job done and turn it over and make the money, but you spend more time with the customer and you spend more time helping someone and making sure that their needs are met. Customer service is a huge part of this whole experience. You knew what I was looking for. You always wanted to make sure that I was getting what I needed and out of this whole thing, and that we're going to be happy with it. I felt comfortable doing that because you seemed like you wanted to take the time to do it, because it's just worth my money to have it done right than to look back and be like, shit, I should have hired Mike and I wouldn't have to rip this whole thing back out again. You know? So do it right the first time. That's it. That's the key.
Do it right the first time.
Yeah.